Select based on neighboring elements. Say I have some numpy array mir. I know that I can easily solicit mir is greater than x to find the indices of elements that have a value above x. How can I find indices of elements, where the neighboring elements are above x? For a 1D array, elements neighboring some id are, id1, id plus 1. For an array of d dimensions, I mean neighboring in any dimension. That is, let d equals 3. The neighbors for mir 2, 2, 2, are 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. For example, take Here, we can graphically see the neighboring elements of 5 to be 1, 4, 6, 9. I want to be able to select based on neighboring elements. For example, I want all indices, for which a neighboring element is greater than or equal to 9. The following values would hold true in above example: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 4 does not count as I defined neighboring not over diagonals. My expected output would then be the typical binary matrix. Great if it works with any dimensions, but I need it to work at least on 3.
Get mask of elements greater than the threshold and simply use binary underscore dilation with an appropriate kernel to select north plus east plus west plus south ones, like so.
이 글 요한테 투시고 플리즈 컨시더 서브스크라이빙